Yo, what's up guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. Good morning. So today we're gonna try the POCAS instant bubble tea kit, but strawberry version. Yeah, so this is our third one, second one of the POCAS brand. So here we go, Taiwan classic. How many we got in here? 5? Yeah, alright. Yo, so I got this at Marshall's for $6 in the clearance aisle. Yeah, not bad, right? So that's, see the math, $1.20 each boba. Not bad, or yeah. I mean, I went to Delamo, you know, when I got this, right? Went to Cha Time boba spot, and it was like $7 for a taro milk tea. Seriously? This is the way to go. Here we go. $1.20 boba. Let's go ahead and make it. So how do we make this? Just like the other one? Oh yeah, powder. Alright, well, let's go ahead and do it. Milk tea time with some balls in your mouth. Alright, let's get it. Come on. Alright, let's first go ahead and get this going. Our hot water. Get that boiling. That's gonna take a while. So while that's boiling, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Yeah. Alright, open this up. One hand, pretty difficult. Come on! Open it. Yo. There you go, you got your powder, balls, and your big straw. Alright, so just that, and that. Put this back in there. Okay, there we go, it's finished. So now what we need to do is open this. Okay, pour it in. Come on out. I really smell the strawberry. There we go. Yeah. Powder. Alright. Now, boiling hot water. Be careful, be careful. Here we go, here we go. Yep, just that. Take our big ass spoon, stir the hell out of it until the powder dissolves. Whoa, steaming hot, steaming. Okay, so while that's cooling off, let's go ahead and open this up. You know, just like that, right there at the corner. Throw this in there. 30 seconds, waiting. Oh yeah, these are ready. Hot. Ooh, ow. Okay, the balls are hot. Okay, put that in there. Just a few. Okay, save the rest. Grab ourselves some ice. A little bit more. Yeah, that should be good. Now, for our milk, we got 2%. Okay, right there. Take our rest of our balls. Hot, God, it's hot. Come on. Slide them in there. Slide through. Oh, come on. Ah! Alright, there you have it. All the balls are in. Sheesh. There we go. Yeah. Does it look like that? Yeah, I need to mix it, right? Alright, well, let's go ahead and try this out now. Here's our big straw. Take that. Balls. Mix. Whoa. Mix. Should be super red, right? Ice is almost melted. Oh! Ah, can we taste test this now? Come on, I'm thirsty. Okay, so, yeah, what does this taste like? Not getting any balls. It literally just tastes like strawberry milk, so is it supposed to actually taste like strawberry milk? Alright, well, if you like strawberry milk, there you go. Finally, some balls. Pause. Hold on. Okay, continue. Boba balls in my mouth. Whoa. Pause. Okay. So soft and chewy. Yeah. Not bad. They actually provide you with a lot of balls, so if that's what you want. Go ahead and open your mouth, have some balls. Just don't choke on them. Strawberry milk with boba balls. So I guess I would rate this 6 out of 10. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I like strawberry milk, but I thought it was gonna be different because with boba, right? I don't know, but yeah, not bad. But I still think the number one is the matcha. And then you got taro and this. I'm not hating on it. I'm just it doesn't taste like boba. Where's the milk tea, right? It just tastes like milk. Strawberry milk! Alright, well, let's go ahead and finish this up now. Yep. Still got a lot of balls in there. Oh, almost choked on that one. Oh. Whew. Went down fast. Squishy. Alright. Just about there. We are finished. There we go. So, yep. 6 out of 10 review, and did it really take 1 minute? I mean, yeah, it was pretty fast, right? Just the boiling water took some time, and yeah. So, alright everybody, hope you guys dig it all the way. Groovy vibes. Don't forget to hit up my PayPal and Venmo. Description down below. Thank you everybody, and we will see you in the next video. But it didn't look like this. Come on now. It's not that red. It's actually pretty pink. Pink. Not red. Yeah. Did I do this right? Yep. Did it all right. Still didn't turn out like that. You know how advertisements are. Alright, we will see you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Taiwan. Bye-bye.